that I'm so excited about. The first in the world open this evening at the Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort. Let's have some drink.
Go ahead. Like this?
Like this? No? I think it's just like this.
Like this? No.
Okay.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Okay. Then I turn it and I just
And
I'm gonna go.
then little cup. See? Carol. Like this? No, the men do this.
Ah, okay.
Your left hand behind your left. And then the right with a little bow.
It's moving train state of mind. Nothing stops us. We just gotta go. We don't see excuses, we see solutions. You know, you look at an object and everybody is saying, excuses and all that, and there are opportunities. To me, this presents a different kind of way to express something really special in a special kind of place and bring it to life.
From here you can go through the lagoon to the ocean and back. Well, we chose the 14th edition to partner with Edis. It's going to be mega, it's going to be different, it's going to be exceptional. We are the leader in entertainment in the continent of Africa. We need to begin to start showing things a bit differently. We need to start showing the world that we're extremely creative, not the norm of how awards are done. We need to create new ideas.
We are planning to have the Eddies here right here, I think it will be the biggest Eddie so far. It will be the biggest and the brightest experience so far. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for the honor, and I say thank you so much for the honor.